How to connect a custom Squarespace domain to your Shopify store. So in this video, we're going to be going through exactly how to connect your Squarespace domain, right, to your Shopify store. All right, let's start. So one of the first things you're going to want to do, of course, is make sure you have a Squarespace domain ready to be used for your Shopify store. So here's one dummy domain I have for this video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your settings inside of Shopify and then click on domains right here. Once you're in domains, you're going to arrive to this page that looks exactly like this. And from here, all you're going to do is connect existing domain, right? So here, right, and local peak.ca. That's my dummy domain. Now, because I don't have any of the updated information, right, all I have to do is pretty simple, is go into my Squarespace domain, right, and add records, right, add custom records. Continue. I just have to use my dummy email here. There we go. Okay. So now that we have that, I already have the Shopify Help Center here because I do not remember these numbers. Point A record, right? Click that, right? And then you can leave this empty if you want. IP address, right? It's probably gonna make me add symbol. Let's see if it works. Yeah. So should save. Okay, so we added one. Now we need to add the last one, and it's this one right here. And then again, we're gonna need to probably add the add symbol again. IP address, and save. Okay, so now we have it. So now what we're gonna do is very simple, is go back to our Shopify store and just click here. So now it's checking. Right, and this, because I used to work at Shopify Support Advisor, this was a common issue that we had where merchants will come in and they just help with connecting their Shopify domain, their custom domain, right, to their Shopify store, right? I had my articles already set up, like easy peasy, right? So now it's just checking, right? Usually these checkups take at least about 5 minutes or so for Shopify just to quickly check. I might be wrong. Let me just code. Yeah, so it's the correct domain. So right now it's just gonna take a long time probably just to get this thing set up. I think I forgot to get the CNAME actually. That's what I forgot to do. And I've done this hundreds of times for other, yeah, I forgot the CNAME for Shopify store owners, right? And I forgot mine. CNAME, right? Name with www. We gotta include the period at the end, and then www. Oops. Okay. And now it's checking again. It should be okay now. We should see propagate here update. There we go. See? So I just messed up one thing, and I've done this so many times already for other Shopify merchants, and I messed it up for myself. So yeah, so that's it. We're all good to go. So now it's gonna take, the domain's live, right? It will take about maybe 20. I usually recommend you hold off 48 hours, right, just to make sure that all the servers in every part of the world, right, is set up perfectly for your domain. But other than that, that's pretty much it on how you connect your your Squarespace domain, right, to your Shopify store. If you guys have any questions about this, comment down below and I'll be happy to help you out or answer any questions that you might have. Again, I do have a free email newsletter for Shopify store owners like yourself. If you have so I send out a weekly email to help Shopify store owners generate more sales for their store for free. And if you reply to the welcome email with your Shopify store link, right, I'll make a review video out of it as well. So that's it for now, guys, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.